Half of the 2 plus 2. What is the half of 2 plus 2? Huh? What is the half of the 2 plus 2? My question, listen carefully.
Hey, listen first.
Listen carefully. I'm going to ask you a question. Listen carefully.
Hey, hey.
What is the half of 2 plus 2? 5. Very good, but wrong. See? Hey, sit down there. The answer is 3. Dimple told her. What is the half of 2? 2 is half as 2. 1 plus 2. Dimple told. Give a claps to Dimple. Huh? Half of 2 is 3. 2 is half as 2. Plus 2. Half of 2. Okay. My next question is.
Hey, Kinda.
I am a fruit. I am a person.
Hey,
I am a
hey.
bird. I am a person. Someone has told there. ಕಿವಿ ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತು ಕಿವಿ ಪದ Who is that? Hey, no man. I didn't listen there. I listened here. Here someone has told. Yes. Claps to Diksha. Last question. Last question. Listen here. I will come once in a June, twice in a November. You asked that? When you asked that? Not in a May. Oh, okay. What you asked? How fast you are? Huh? ಯಾವ ಮಂತಲ್ಲಿ 28 days ಬರುತ್ತೆ? How? Huh? You 2 members were told, no?
Hey,
Huh?
hey.
Yes. I'm going to give a surprise gift to you. 2 members. Okay? See you again tomorrow.